Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bio-Dex Aquadex 50 Stain Off. What is Bio-Dex Aquadex 50 Stain Off? The Aquadex 50 Stain Off is a powerful aid in the removal of metal stains and scales, such as copper, iron, and cobalt that have accumulated in both pools and spas. This concentrated liquid is stable at high temperatures and is unaffected by chlorine, acids, or other sanitizing chemicals. Product benefits: removes copper and iron stains from plaster pools, removes black cobalt stains from fiberglass pools and spas, prevents most of the toughest metal stains from returning. Usage directions: instructions to remove black cobalt in fiberglass and copper staining on plaster. Step 1. With the filter off, add 1 quart per 10,000 gallons of water in the area where the staining is the most severe. Step 2. Turn the filter on and let it run for 8 hours after treatment or overnight. If stains persist after 72 hours, repeat treatment. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.